All right, guys, we're going to continue on with our cam creations. Right now we're looking at an eccentric cam. Basically, it is a round cam, but the hole is off-centered, so you get an interesting type of movement. So we're going to start with a 2-inch diameter, make our cam circle, and then we're going to place our hole 1/4 inch off of the center of that cam. So very simple. Start out with a 2-inch circle, and then we're going to put another circle down here, and I know it's 3/16, so I can type in 3 divided by 16. It will calculate it for me. I want to have that hole perfectly lined up, so if we go back to our wonderful world of constraints, we can make sure that they are vertically aligned, and then I'm just going to dimension from the center of the cam itself to the center of the hole, and we said that it was going to be 1/4. We say 1/4 of the diameter. So if the diameter is 2, we can multiply that by 0.25, so that's 1/4 of the quarter of the entire diameter. And now we can just extrude it out. Let's go with 0.25 because we don't need our cams to be super thick. And there we have it, one eccentric cam. All right, guys, we're going to continue on with our videos on how to make some cams. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a snail cam. It's actually a lot easier than you think. We're going to base our measurements off of a nominal of 2 inches. So we're going to start out with the largest circle at 2. I'm going to do another circle, half of that at 1. I'm going to make that interior circle a construction line. And then I'm going to attach the two of them at their center top point as such. Actually, I want that to be a solid line. Now, I'm going to add in an arc that's going to run from this lower point of that top line all the way down to the bottom center of the outer larger circle. So I click there, I just kind of arc it in. Its placement doesn't really matter. I do, however, want it not to be construction. Now I need to make this arc tangent to the outer circle. So we're going to put in one constraint. That's it. And now I need to get rid of this outer circle edge. So I'm going to use the trim feature to trim that out. Last thing I need to do is put in a hole for the axle. And I'm going to just go right there in the center. It's 3/16, so 3 divided by 16 is going to give me that dimension. Finish this sketch, and let's extrude it. I got to select what I want to extrude. Let's make it 1/4 inch thick, and there you go. One snail cam in less than 2 minutes, along with explanations.